Hi friends, I'm Kelsey with Two Structures Homes. I am in Monroe today and I want to take you through this Katy floor plan that we have. It's brand new construction. It is just now getting onto the market out of the construction phase. And I want to take you through it because it's actually my favorite house we have right now. Maybe aside from our model home, which is beautiful. But this home in Monroe is 3-bedroom, 2-bath, has a 3-car garage on it, and it's gorgeous. Let me take you through it. Come on. So here's the outside of the home. You can see that has a 2-tone paint exterior with the lap siding. It has the wainscot of brick and a really beautiful landscape with the rock border. And it is just diagonal from the community park. This community, Monroe, it does have a swimming pool. It has that park, basketball goals, some really great features. So this is kind of off to the side. It's a pretty quiet street, as you can tell. Look at these really pretty carriage lights we have on it. It's so cute. Love those little lanterns. Now this is James Hardie exterior, soffit fascia and siding. We have a really nice size covered back patio. And this front door is one of my favorites. You'll see us use this all the time because I just think it's so cute. We have the keyless entry. And once you come in, you have a nice foyer area. Off to the left is a really pretty mud bench area, drop zone, and have a nice little window, place your plants or something like that. Off to the right is the hall closet. And then check out this fixture. We went with kind of like a rustic, industrial type of look in this home. We have wood look tile throughout, and it's kind of like a light beige. This is really popular right now. This is the living area right off the entry foyer. I'm going to take a shot backwards so you can see how that entrance looks from the living area. It's really pretty. Oh, neighbors are walking the dog. We have a ceiling fan in here. We did the marble looking tile to the ceiling. This is a gas fireplace, and we have a mantle here. It's kind of like a rough cedar look. And then the backyard view from this living room. Okay, we're gonna go this way and check out the secondary bedrooms and the primary. First is your primary on the left. It has 2 windows overlooking that backyard. We have a ceiling fan in here. This is carpeted. And then over here is the ensuite. We did the same wood look tile in here, but we did it in a hexagon pattern. And then I love the vanity in here. We did so much storage. We separated the 2 vanities, so we have a little bit of privacy on each side almost, but great storage. And oil rub bronze fixtures with that industrial craftsman look. These fixtures have like a seated glass on them. Framed mirrors, square undermount sinks, awesome storage. Look how big this drawer is. It's full extension drawer glides. To the right is the water closet. It has a door for added privacy, and it does vent to the exterior. Then to the left is the primary closet, and this closet is massive. Wow, it's so big. Huge. And then across from the closet, we have a frosted window for some natural light, and then we have the walk-in shower, and that vent, can light does vent to the exterior. So that is the primary. Now we're gonna go back out to the hallway. We have a hall linen closet. It's pretty deep. Oh, no, okay. Pretty deep. Lennox thermostat. Here is your hall bathroom, and we did a stain on this mirror frame. Just give it a little pop. We have some 3cm quartz, again with the square undermount sink. We have a nice deep fiberglass tub as opposed to those shallow steel tubs. Those are not what we're about. This fiberglass one will hold the heat better than those steel ones, and it's deeper, so it's a soaker basically. We do have a light there above that. It does vent to the exterior, has a nice corner shelf. Then straight ahead is bedroom 2. This one overlooks the front yard. Has a nice bright LED light fixture. We do LED because those are more energy saving. And we have a double door closet. Then back out here is bedroom 3. These bedrooms are really big. Same basically as the one we were just in. Double door on that closet. The water shut off is in here. All right, that's the bedrooms. We're gonna go on out to the other side of the house. Now, as I said, this is a Katie floor plan, but we kind of tweaked it. We're constantly trying to make these floor plans better. But on this one, the original Katie has like a study nook off the front door, but this one we went ahead and added a full-blown study. So 3 bedrooms plus a study, has the double doors, clear glass on them. Let's take a look at what that looks like if the doors were shut. A little loud, sorry, house is empty, so it echoes pretty bad, but let's back up here. Look how pretty that is. And that light fixture, you have your table centered here, you have the slider to the back patio. I love that. So let's go back in there and check that out. Again, the wood look tile does extend into here, has a little window for the side yard, LED light fixture. Can you just imagine having your little desk in here? You'd be working away and you can see what's going on in the main living area, but you can shut the doors off so you don't have like the interruptions. So nice. Okay, let's go check out the back patio. We have a slider that just lets in a ton of light. Back door open, and then we have a nice little brick detail here. And this back patio is covered. It's really, really big. Has an LED light fixture, and then we have our fresh air intake out here as well. Really nice size for your grill, your patio furniture. Looks like the neighbors are building a pergola. Nice. Okay, let's head back in. We're gonna go straight across here so you can see what the utility in this house is, because it's what dreams are made of. So first off, you can shut the door. So dryer's making some noise, you can shut that off. But not only do you have the cabinet above the washer, you have your dryer box here, and we trimmed that out just because it looks nice and finished. Some hanging space, but then on this side, wow, lots of storage. Lots of countertop space. We have that 3cm quartz on here. You can put your iron in here. We have the hookup for that. Adjustable shelves on those top. And 4 drawers, full extension guides in here. Adjustable shelves on the bottom too. Look how nice this is. You come straight off the garage. You have your security panel there. Let's go check out your garage.
Garage entry open.
Okay, so this garage is a standard 2 structures garage. Again, we have post-tension foundations. So you'll see we have our cutout for our storm shelter, and that is so when you do choose to put a storm shelter in, they're not gonna be cutting into your cables and compromising the integrity of your foundation. It's cut out so you know exactly where those are. We have the smart garage door opener here. It's Wi-Fi capable. Your attic access pull down doors there. And then over here is this thing here is your sprinkler loop. So you can hook up a sprinkler here without having the rock on the outside. And then you have your tankless water here. This is Renai. So you're gonna have endless hours of hot water. Just takes it a minute to get warmed up, but once it does, you're not gonna run out. All right, let's head back in. A nice welcoming entrance from the garage again. Okay, so that was the main features of the house, but now we're in the kitchen and it's beautiful. I already showed you the dining room pendant. We have some like farmhouse looking pendants here on the island. We did the paneling on the back of the island. This is a 3cm quartz. Outlets here. This is a stainless steel apron sink, and look how big that is. I think this is bigger than the ones I'm usually putting in, but it's, I can't remember the size of it, but it's really big. And then you have your stainless steel dishwasher. This does have a garbage disposal there. We did the River bronze. It does pull out and it changes. There's little nozzles there to change the spray. Okay. We did that same tile from the fireplace here on the backsplash just to mimic that look. Little extension guides. All your manuals we keep in here for you. And then we upgraded the heck out of this range. I mean, look how industrial, professional this looks. Wow. I don't think we've put this in a house that I can remember, so this is really nice. Has all kinds of steam functions and all kinds of, who knows what else this thing does. You have to read the manual. But really nice toggles. We have the flat iron, or what is this called? Griddle. And a nice microwave. Pretty. Wow. This house is just gorgeous. I think you're gonna love it. Let me know in the comments what your favorite feature of this house is, because it has some pretty amazing upgrades in it, and I'd love to know what you think is your favorite. Just let me know in the comments below. Okay, so if you stuck with me this long, I'm gonna go over the details of this house. So again, the address is 14600 Toulon Lane. We are in Monroe, and Monroe is on County Line and 150th. This house is currently priced at $354,900. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it does have a full study, 3-car garage, and mud bench, and covered porch and patio, and upgraded kitchen. We are currently offering, at the time of this recording, $15,000 in builder cash. And so how builder cash works is you can use that to buy down your rate. You can use that as closing costs. You can use that to add something to the house. Like this doesn't have a fence or blinds, so you can do that, or you can add a storm shelter. That's basically builder cash that you can use however you want. So if you're curious of how you would use that or how it would work, you can definitely give us a call. We'd be happy to walk you through how to use that. Our contact information is in the description below, so check us out, call us, give us a ring. We'll be happy to help you. If you love this house and you want to see it in person, please, again, let us know. We'll take you through it and a personal tour. So thank you so much. You have a great day. Bye.
Thanks for watching. As always, please don't forget to like, tag, and share our videos, and most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. As always, please don't forget to like, tag, and share our videos, and most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel.